Aloha, friends and car lovers. Welcome back to the GDM Car Show. I apologize for the car shows being delayed. We had that big Team Mixer challenge recently going through the Obsidian Mountain Raceway, or going down Obsidian Mountain Raceway. But I have for you the 17th edition of the GDM Car Shows. In this edition, we will have several new cars to feature. And stay tuned with us, because after the show, I have arranged some exhibition racing on Obsidian Mountain Raceway from a collection of Skylines that have been sitting in the GDM garage. Need to stretch their pistons. All right, let's get right into it. Here we have a Highway Hauler 2. Its debut series was in 2012 new models, and it's been produced since then through the present day, designed by Brendan Vituski. Here we have a recolor of the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Its debut series was back in the Hot Wheels Race Track Aces in 2015. The designer was Brendan Vituski. Here is your Ford Escort RS 2000, brand new for 2023, debuting in the Retro Racers series, designed by Fraser Campbell. Next, we got this Dodge Viper RT/10, debuted in the Mainline series way back in 1993. In 2017, it got a retool, and this has been the current production model through the present day. Designers are Michael Collins and Larry Wood. Here we have a 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. This is a new repaint. It debuted in the Nightburners series back in 2020 and has been currently produced under the same casting. Designer is Ryu Asada. Here we have a new edition, the 73 Honda Civic Custom, debuting this year in the Hot Wheels J Import series. Your designer is Fraser Campbell. Here we have a repaint of the 70s van. It's a Hot Wheels art car decorated with all those letters. You can sit there and play with it on the raceway or do crossword puzzles. Debut series was the Flying Colors way back in 1975 up through 1985. In 2003, it got retooled and has been currently produced in this casting since then. Designer is Larry Wood. Here you have your 2017 Camaro ZL1, debuting in the Camaro 50 series back in 2017 up through the present day. Designer is Brendan Vituski. Now we have a Subaru WRX STI. This is a new color. Debut series was 2012 new models, and it's been produced the same up to the present day. Designer is Liwei Chang. Here we have this gorgeous 72 Stingray convertible, debuting in the Hot Wheels Roadster series, brand new this year. Designer is Brian Benedict. Here we have the new Renault Sport RS01. The original debut series was the Hot Wheels Exotics back in 2016, and it hasn't changed other than paint schemes all through the present day. Designer was Ryu Asada. And here's one of my favorites, the 71 Porsche 911. First produced back in 2018, and it hasn't changed through the current day. Designer is Ryu Asada and Jun Amai. Here's Doctor Strange, Marvel character car. Debut series was Marvel character cars back in 2016, and it really hasn't changed other than some color changes throughout those years. Designer is Tyler Charis. Here we have another Porsche 911. This is the Carrara RS 2.7. Debut series is Retro Racers, brand new this year. Designer is Fraser Campbell. I've lined up all the Skylines in the GDM garage, and today they will take on the Obsidian Mountain Raceway in a two-part shootout. Today you'll get to see part one, and the remainder of the shootout will follow in an upcoming GDM Car Show. All right, let's get them up to the top of the mountain. Get this shootout going. We got the 82 Skyline R30 on the inside. The GT4 R32 was on the inside. Oh, there goes the news truck. Hopefully everybody will recover from that. All right, we switched lanes. Doesn't look like the R30 is going to be able to make it up, or tie it up rather here. Good fight though, all the way down Memorial Drive, but it's going to be that R32 moving on into the next round. Now we got the Skyline GT4 R32 Godzilla car going up against the HT2000 GTR. And that GTR, the HT, wow! Godzilla spins out. The HT got up on the wall at the main, or the final finish, but made it across the finish line. And holy smokes, did Godzilla get smoked on that one. All right, Godzilla on the inside. We got that HT on the outside. Can Godzilla tie it up? It's got a little bit of a lead in that divided straight down the pipeline. holding on to that lead through Calamity Corner. This time the HT wipes out at the top of Memorial Drive. Oh, oh no. There goes Godzilla. Tokyo fights back, right? All right, for the tiebreaker. The HT draws the inside. Godzilla's got the lead on the outside, but there goes the HT down the pipeline through Calamity Corner. Ooh, Godzilla got sideways there and loses a lot of distance. And tying a track record there with the fastest time of 5.12 for that HT. All right, we got two Skyline HTs going here. Looked like they jumped the gun a little bit. The purple's in the lead of the Seafoam Green, and it's going to be purple across the line as it's creeping on the wall. Decent time, 5:18, really fast. Love my Skylines. All right, switching lanes here. Got the Seafoam on the inside, purple on the outside. Identical builds on these cars. It's just a matter of the driver. Seafoam blowing in throwing in a block right there, blowing in a block, and slowed that purple one down enough to stretch out the lead. We're going to go to a tiebreaker, and the Seafoam had the fastest time, so it's back on the inside. Here they go down the divided straight. Purple has the lead. Now it's the Seafoam down the pipeline through Calamity Corner. Spins out, gets backwards down Memorial Drive, but it's going to cross that finish line first and move on into the next round. And the final race of this round. In the inside, we got the 82 R30 up against a 2000 GTR LB Works. And that LB Works, what a nice pass from the outside down the pipeline. Holds it to wow, all the way through Memorial Drive and across the finish in a fairly decent time, 5.38. And now it's on the inside. Could this be a sweep? That R30 needs to step on it, and it did for a minute there. But there goes that LB Works down Memorial Drive. Got a good lead. And that R30 had nothing for it. So we got 4 eliminated and 4 moving on to the next round, which you'll get to see in the next edition of the GDM Car Show. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show and the racing here at Griffin Soul DIECAST Motorsports. I want to thank you all, my friends, fans of the channel, and you new subscribers. Just noticed that the channel has 274 subscribers as of this broadcast. We are now more than halfway to that 500 subscriber giveaway. I did a lot of pre-shopping in anticipation of channel giveaways. So tell your friends, share with everyone you know, so you all can have chances to win something cool from Griffin Soul DIECAST Motorsports. And don't forget to go over to Redline Derby and get in on the upcoming Aloha Invitational Pro-Am. It's a mail-in tournament. All the rules and information for this event is there, and I hope to see you at the OMR soon. Until the next show or race, thank you for your views and support. Remember to click that like, comment, and always keep your roof to the sun. Mahalo.